Good morning, my name is Art Gogulski. I would like to welcome you in Fagor booth at the FABTECH Chicago show. We are presenting the latest technology in Fagor CNC 8065, 8070 family. The Q7 platform has been redesigned with slim industrial PCNC hardware, allowing to create a device with no battery, no fan, and no moving parts. The new platform will offer enormous improvements in speed and high-speed processing for laser cutting machine. Q7 platform will improve gap processing time up to 0.5 milliseconds. It will improve frequency of PWM Pulse-Width Modulation up to 50 kilohertz, allowing you to push your machine fast processing speeds to the extreme limits of your machine mechanical limitations. The vast resources of the system allows you to load third-party software. At the show, we are presenting Lantek Expert Insight software.
So this software is actually on the CNC control. What this allows is operators to see the nest on their control, but then also modify it. So if there's any parts that may seem troublesome or may need re-engineering, they can take those out when they see they're cut improperly and add new ones in. Another thing that we allow is filler parts. So if there's ever any parts that you need to cut to stock and you're always cutting them to stock and turning them over, this allows us to automatically see if there's any space on the sheet to add those parts in. So now you can get the most utilization out of your sheet and not waste any time doing it. The whole pitch for the Lantek Inside, Expert Inside on the machine control and bringing this nesting offline is to give some autonomy to the machine operator. So this allows them to work on the fly, and that's what Industry 4.0 is all about, giving autonomy to all of your workers and allowing them to make decisions on their own, essentially.
Laser fiber machines are getting faster and faster, so are the requirements for the new CNC laser controls. Thank you and have a good day. Go Birds!